After a 6-day win streak, holy, I was waiting for my loss. I was waiting for this loss. Hey, if you have an entry, go ahead. But I don't have an entry yet, so I'm gonna wait it out. Might not have a trade today. I ain't gonna lie. There's no entries. That's crazy. I'm laughing, bro. I'm looking at this 1 minute fair value gap. If we can inverse it, get a retracement from that 5 minute, then that would be nice. I'm risking one contract right now. I just want to see us take out the sell side. We had a nice inverse. This is why I backtest, for us to inverse a fair value gap and then retrace off the fair value gap from before it. So we're just gonna see what happens. I want to get out before Powell though. Get out before Powell, or hold during Powell. Up to you. So we're gonna see what happens with this 5 minute, if we respect it or not. I'm getting stopped out of this, no doubt. Completely disrespected that. Yeah, same here.
It could be going.
Nah, I just risk less because I don't usually enter like that. I didn't catch the top of the move, so. It's all good, boys. The market is crazy today. I should have low-key not taken a trade after seeing that we took out our draw like in the first, not even the first minute of macro.
I should have taken it.
Nah, it's all good. To be honest, well, at least for me, I know like I could have taken it. I mean, I called it out from literally the top. I was like, I could really enter here.
Yeah, I know.
But
it's just I wanted to see.
Yeah.
I literally said I'll enter on a CISD at freaking 8. was confirmed,
I'm using
and I
Top
didn't enter.
Step. If anyone, what's the name of your broker? Yeah, I'm using Top Step. But yeah, I mean, definitely like. So I mean, I followed my rules, so I can't really complain about that. It would have been
Mhm.
like a fake win to me if I entered in and try to bottom tick that shit. Even though I saw it and it did apply to AMD, it's just like I'm not gonna enter without an actual entry there. You know, I feel like that would just be dumb for me. But yeah, and then Powell's gonna like do some crazy shit with the market. I don't even know.
Yeah.
Watch it just take it all the way up to this imbalance. So we have. Or tank down to this sell side. Damn.
Bro, look,
This could.
the first position, the on the picture I sent, the first position is what I would have taken.
Do you think that the move down was the? Let me check your picture first.
Yeah.
Damn. Yeah, that first position.
Because I had the CISD and then
Yeah.
I did enter, but
How good it happens. We just inverse this 5 minute. Or like, nah. Nah. Especially if we take out these highs and they come lower. It's just, holy, what is even happening? When does market go higher when Powell speaks? Like, what? Alright, do you think that the move down was the manipulation instead of the distribution? That's actually a good ass question. On the 5 minute, it could have been manipulation for distribution to these highs.
On the 5 minute, I definitely thought the
Yo, holy, that was a good ass question. And it was off of a high time frame confluence. This would be a good entry right here for longs, to be honest. But where are our like
previous days? They're like really high up though. That's like the only liquidity I can see.
Enter a bot position. I know this is kind of off like some bullshit, but we're done news. If we inverse this, then I'll get out. Or like retrace. And then doubt actually, because this is my second trade. And then first TP up here. Because I was actually looking at that, and then you kind of like opened my eyes.
Yeah, I was open to long, but then I thought that was the manipulation.
It's 10:01.
But what are you in for? One con?
Order filled.
Yeah, I was in for one con. Yeah, all right, I'm done for today. Because I mean, we might come inverse this 5 minute and come higher, but like after looking
Powell news is out.
After looking at it, like this is start of 950. If we had some like clear draws on liquidity, maybe there were.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, they're high time frame draws on liquidity. They're just like really far.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut it there. No more.
Watch. We're gonna come hit our sell side liquidity how we wanted to after we.
Yeah, I would definitely have to play it strategic. MT, how does it feel trading on the XFA? Like, if I'm being honest, like before I prepare myself like mentally for this, because I know my mindset was going to like try to change a little, because you know your mind is not actually you, right? So I already knew like my mind was going to try to trick me into thinking, oh, it's going to be hard, it's going to be difficult. But I'm really just thinking in that mindset. I didn't change a thing. It's the same platform, same account. Like it's all about the skill, not even the environment.
Because I was literally gonna like say before we even like started trading, I was like, yo, I know
Uh-huh. Yeah, man. I appreciate that, but, yeah, wait, let me, but yeah.
I mean, you're obviously gonna be like a little bit nervous or whatever, but don't like let that change you. I was literally gonna pay that before March opened.
No, yeah. I definitely felt it, trust me. I was like shaking
Yeah.
like the whole like first probably 10, 15 minutes of us trading like, into the day.
Yeah, no, it's definitely a little bit different for sure.
Because like yeah, it's for money, but like I feel like definitely well since and this is why like I'm so glad I did wrestling because wrestling you get in these like moments a lot, but you have to kind of channel your nerves in a certain way. But I think that definitely helped me. But it's definitely different, Eli. It's definitely different trading on an XFA, but you gotta like just discipline your mind. Like know that it's your mind and you have full control over your mind and body, right? And I also said a prayer too before because I already knew I was gonna be like tweaking a little. But like overall, I think I felt calm. Like I'm not too mad about the loss. Yes, that 1 second entry I probably didn't have to take. It was kind of rushed. I definitely take full accountability on that one. But I just know in the long term we're gonna make this shit back. It's not even a penny. It's not even a penny in our eyes.
Yeah.
And after a 6-day win streak, holy, I was waiting for my loss. I was waiting for this loss.
Yeah.
By the way, the clip got over 2,000 views I made yesterday. Gosh, damn. That's crazy.
Not to say that we were due, but we were low-key due.
We were definitely due for a loss. Sooner or later.
We had to be nervous, bro.
Exactly.
No, that's kind of like the thing that sucks, because I was trading on the micros, right? And like that doesn't give you much profit. Those were winning trades.
Mm-hmm.
And then the one day I go on to the actual like the mini full size and everything, I literally like take this loss and that wipe out every single profit.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, man, I mean, same here with me. Like, I was trading on the regular eval. The first day I'm on the express. It's a loss, but I can't let that loss determine the trajectory of my whole trading career.
Yeah, I was thinking low risk on Monday and Tuesday, but like, it's like 1 million, not freaking
Yeah.
two micros.
I was definitely like right after I saw that sell off at like macro, or like right before macro that we were looking at. I was like, I know for sure I'm low risking for today. We are having no entries in sight. It was too good to be true. It really was because that setup was so clean. It was too good to be true. I'll probably write that down in my journal. If it looks too good to be true, it might be. Wait, you said we had a CSID?
Yeah, change and say
Yeah.
look at my photo, I'll kind of explain it.
Okay.
Well, I will explain it. Let me know when you're looking at it.
I want it.
Alright, so you see one of my like CISD lines like drawn out, right?
Yeah.
So a change in state of delivery is a candle close after a leg up. So like the last series of up candles.
Oh, like break of structure.
Yeah, it's basically breaking structure, but the opposing candle. Because breaking structure, you're looking for like just one candle. For CISD, you're looking for the first handle in the series. Well, it's basically a breaking structure. They're kind of paired together, but once you close under that first candle of the series, that's a change of state of delivery.
Alright,
So that bar under the CISD line was literally where I was about to enter. Then I would have just put the stop above that high, and TP like right where it was.
Yeah.
I definitely would have had my stop loss either in profit or break even.
No, yeah. Once we took out like that first like candle to the downside when we started our bearish trend, like after we broke that candle, I was thinking to enter. Like after we came lower, I was like, I low-key should enter. But I guess it's just because I've been so accustomed to like entering off of fair value gaps that like I didn't really think.
Exactly. That's kind of what I was like thinking. Because I knew it came to say the delivery. It's definitely a good entry. But I was hoping to see like a retracement to that moment that we had above it.
Yeah, and if it was like stacked like upon another confluence or two.
Yeah, no, exactly.
But yeah.
No, I'll take a CIS on the fair value gap. But I just like if it were out of conviction.
Yeah.
Willing to just take that 30, like more.
Yeah, but
Because if we retraced in that fair value gap, I think I respected that gap.
yeah, that's so unfortunate though that like it disrespected the woman and 5 minute fair value gap.
Yeah.
That's,
The one time we actually were trying to target that too.
do you trade on your phone?
No, I'm on a computer right now.
Oh.
I just took a screenshot on my phone because I'm using my mom's computer. My PC is literally sitting on the floor unplugged because I had to get rid of my desk.
Yeah.
My setup's all over the floor on monitors. Because literally today it's the last day in this house.
Damn.
We gotta stay in hotels for 2 days because like we're not trying to pay those months of like the mortgage or whatever.
Yeah.
So,
Alright.
and then we're gonna go to a hotel for 2 days and we're going to Mexico.
Oh, you're going to Mexico? Yeah, I forgot. Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
You're not. Around that time. I think the day you leave for Mexico is my 18th birthday. What? Damn.
So that's gonna like cause a little bit of a problem, I guess, right?
That's all good. I'll figure it out. Like, well,
Because I think I'll have Wi-Fi, but
yes.
it's gonna be like really spotty. So.
Mhm.
If I got like internet, I'll definitely try and do it.
All right. Oh yeah, for everyone in here, there's a good like a big announcement. I'm not gonna say it now, but there's a big announcement at noon. Like we're having an event. Hosting it. I'll give you guys all the details, but expect a notification at noon today. Probably in the main chat and club news too. But yeah, I might hop off here though. Definitely have a lot to journal. It's like I was making a video on this because I'm gonna add it to the course probably like later in July. But journaling and backtesting are like the studying of trading, and it's like something that you don't really want to do, but you know you have to if you want that A on the test, you know. So I just recommend, especially after a loss like this, these are like the most prominent times to learn and just grow as a trader. So definitely journal and backtest from this play if you can or have time to. That's just my advice. But yeah. No, thank you guys for coming in though. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm gonna drop this live trading recap. I know I lost, but still gotta win or loss, I'm gonna drop a recap, bro. But alright. I'll see you guys though. Thank you guys for all for coming. We're back tomorrow, 9:30.
Yes, sir.
Alright, man. See ya. Peace. Boys! Boys. Alright. So yes, today it was unfortunately a loss, but these are like I was saying just now, these are the most prominent times to grow as a day trader. Like, you're not gonna get better at trading by just winning time after time after time after time. Eventually you're gonna get to that point. But there's always going to be like these small little learning curves, bro. I mean, it's like a trend, like when you're trading, is you have retracements, during that distribution move, you have retracements, right? So, you know, you got the accumulation point of your career, that manipulation point. You probably don't think you can do much, like a break-even period, and boom. But you're not going to always skyrocket high. That distribution move, it has retracements. So you might be doing really, really good, and then little retracement. And then really, really good, and then you have a loss. And then really, really good, and then you have another loss. And really, really good again. And then you're going to eventually get to that liquidity. And you're not going to tank. You're just going to keep going up. Because we're inversing those fair value gaps. We're not just retracing, we're inversing. So when we're distributing in the market, we can have either a retracement from those fair value gaps only and continue higher, or a full inverse of that fair value gap and come higher, right? The only difference is that when we inverse those fair value gaps, we can keep going higher for as long as we want because we're filling those imbalances and inefficiencies in the market, right? So relating that to your trading, when we have our distribution move and we start really doing really good at trading, as we come up, we're going to have those retracements. But when we do have those retracements, we don't only want to lose and then continue higher. We want to fill that inefficiency and really hone in. We want to do all that back testing, that journaling, so we can really inverse that fair value gap so we can continue to go up higher. So we don't have to come back down again and retrace and do the process all over again. Hope you guys understood that because I just dropped a freaking banger. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, please drop a like. This is full live raw footage. I might throw in a couple cuts in there because I don't even know if you guys could like see me for the first like half of the stream, or not stream but video. But yes, this is me. I'm gonna tell you guys whether I lose or win because I really don't care. If you guys perceive me as a bad day trader because I lose, okay, it is what it is. It is what it is. But I know to myself that I could really be something one day, and it starts with these losses. Cause I ain't gonna go higher without a retracement. Boom! I really cooked with that one. Oh my god.